In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install Netflix on your LG television. So the first thing we're going to do is just grab your television remote control and we're going to press the home button to come over to the LG home screen. Now by default, you should already have the Netflix application installed. You can see these list of applications at the bottom down here. And if we scroll across, we should be able to find the Netflix application. Now, if for some reason you don't see it in this list, or if you've accidentally uninstalled Netflix, then what we can do is head over to the App Store on your LG television. So I'm just going to scroll across and click on apps. Now, depending on your model of television, this might also be called the LG Content Store. So for me, it's called apps, but for you, it could be called LG Content Store. So once we've opened up this application, we can just scroll through this list here and look for the Netflix application. So you can either just scroll through the list, or you can use the search box at the top here and just go and search for Netflix. Now, once you have found the Netflix application, you can simply just click on it and you should be able to install it directly from this app. Now, if for some reason you don't see the Netflix application inside of the content store, then what you'll need to do is change your location settings on your television. Now, to do this, just click on the settings icon on your TV remote, and that should pop up with the settings window like so. And then we can scroll all the way down to the bottom of this page and click on all settings and give that a couple of seconds while it loads up your TV settings. So once this window's popped up, we can scroll down to the general tab and then scroll across, scroll down again to system and click OK, and then scroll down to location and select OK. Click on LG Services Country and press OK. And you want to change this from set automatically, and you want to go and change your country manually. Now, some regions and some countries don't actually allow you to download and install Netflix. So what you can do is try choosing a different country instead. So I'd recommend choosing something like the US or the UK if you have the option to. And once you've changed the location from this window, and it's basically going to pop up with this window saying that it will need to restart your television for these changes to take effect. So we're just going to go ahead and press yes. And then once your TV's restarted, you can head back over to the LG Content Store, and then you should be able to download and install the Netflix application. And it's as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.